In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook send receive errors. These pesky errors can often boil down to a few common issues, such as connection hiccups, incorrect settings, or even a corrupted profile. The key to resolving them is to diagnose the problem efficiently rather than randomly trying different fixes. Let's dive into a practical way to troubleshoot these issues within Microsoft Outlook. First things first, it's crucial to take note of the exact error code you're encountering. Outlook errors tend to follow a pattern, with each code giving a clue about the underlying issue. For example, an error code like 0x800's CCC0E indicates a problem connecting to the server, whereas 0x800 CCCC0F suggests the connection was unexpectedly dropped. If you see a 0x800 error, this might point to an issue with your data file. If you happen to have a specific error code, make a mental note or jot it down, as it can significantly speed up the troubleshooting process. Once you have the error code, the next step is to check your internet and server status. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A spotty connection can often be the main culprit in these scenarios. Try logging into Outlook via a web browser like Outlook.com. If everything works smoothly online, then the problem likely lies within the Outlook application itself. It's also worth noting that if this is a work email, you might want to check if the Microsoft Exchange server is experiencing outages, or if you need a VPN to establish a connection. Next, let's make sure that Outlook isn't set to work offline, which can inadvertently prevent send/receive actions. To do this, open Outlook and head over to the Send/Receive tab. You'll find an option labeled Work Offline. Make sure this is turned off. If it is activated, just click on it to deactivate it. This simple step can often resolve send/receive problems with minimal effort. Now let's address the possibility of incorrect login credentials, as wrong or expired passwords are frequent culprits behind these errors. Open Outlook and navigate to File. Then find Account Settings and click on Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you're having trouble with and choose Change. Here you'll have an opportunity to re-enter your password. Double-check for any typos and make sure that none of the password fields are empty. Re-enter the correct password and save these changes. By systematically following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving most Outlook send/receive errors. These instructions aim to help you get back to a smooth emailing experience, free from interruptions and error messages. If you find that the problems persist, there may be additional underlying issues that warrant further exploration. However, more often than not, these steps will provide a quick and effective resolution. Best of luck, and I hope these tips prove helpful in your troubleshooting journey.